Aries, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong energy update for December 16 to 31, 2023. General reading, just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. And pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan Mr. Queen PH, and please check out my shop. Available yung mga protection and prosperity items, bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. And also, if you are interested in the money bowl, available din to sa aking shop. Link on the description. So let's see, Aries, ano yung update sa inyo second half ng December for Aries. Oh, parang meron na kayong i-let go ngayon. Yes. Iba sa inyo, you are protecting your energies. Nagiging maingat kayo ngayon, no? Sa mga pakikisalamuhaan nyo, pakikisamahan nyo, yung mga taong i-allow nyo na makialam sa buhay ninyo. So I think mas magiging malakas yung loob mo na ipagtanggol yung sarili mo at proteksyonan yung sarili mo, no? What is the Seven of Wands? You have the Ace of Pentacles. So some of you are going to pursue yung mga bagay na gusto nyo talagang gawin. In terms of your career, pwede kasing may mga nangingialam o umi-impluwensya sa inyo sa mga decision ninyo. But I think ngayong second half ng December, you wouldn't care, no? Wala ka nang pakialam sa kanila, sa sasabihin nila, sa opinion nila. Focus ka ngayon sa kung ano yung gusto mong simulan, ano yung gusto mong i-pursue sa buhay, especially sa career mo, or whatever this is na sa tingin mo, meron talagang patutunguhan. Kasi with the Pentacles here, this is related to reality, no? Very realistic na ngayon yung pananaw mo sa buhay. I think you are going to pursue a new endeavor, a new project, a new career, a new business. And wala na makakapigil sa'yo niyan. You have the Ace of Wands as your challenge. So, maaring may mga tao pa rin na magta-try sa'yo na magta-try na baguhin yung iyong desisyon sa buhay. But I think if you are really decided, if you're really focused on starting a new life, no? Definitely hindi ka mapipigilan ng mga to. You have the Five of Swords. Maraming competition around you. People are trying to compete with your career, with your situation. But I think, no, ngayong second half ng December, you will focus on what will make you feel happy. Maging maingat ka lang doon sa mga tao na nagpapakita ng kunyari mabait sila or they are concerned, pero meron silang hidden agendas. Okay? And I think it will be revealed sa'yo yung mga taong may hidden agendas. Kasi you have the opportunity to cut ties with them, to let them go, no? To release them with the Ten of Swords. Yung mga taong nagpapahirap sa'yo, yung mga taong imbes na pagaanin yung buhay mo is lalong pinabibigat. Yeah, with the Six of Pentacles, I think you are going to bring balance in your career, in your life, and I also see someone helping you, no? Kung meron mang tao na ang tawag doon, parang ginigipit ka, no? Makakaalis ka sa taong to na nanggigipit sa'yo kasi meron kang opportunity na darating na kakayanin mo na makaalis sa sitwasyon na yan, or merong taong tutulong sa'yo para makaalis ka dito sa panggigipit ng taong to. Pwedeng literal na ginigipit ka sa pera, sa resources, or sa kakayanan mo na ma-achieve yung gusto mong gawin. But I think, kung ikaw ay willing naman na i-let go na yon at ma-realize mo na hindi mo kailangan yung taong yon, mag-open up sa'yo yung opportunity to start something new and be open doon sa mga taong handang tumulong sa'yo. Kasi with a blessing here, 8 of Cups, magkakaroon ka na ng lakas ng loob na iwanan yung situation mo na alam mong hindi na siya fulfilling para sa'yo. Yes, you have the 6 of Cups, and follow what you love. Follow your desires. Okay? So, I think ngayon, mas ipupurso mo na ako ano talaga yung gusto mo kaysa sa ano yung gusto ng iba para sa'yo. So, it's some sort of freeing yourself. Ikaw mismo ang magpapalaya sa sarili mo. Yes. With Mercury in Pisces in the 12th house, you're going to be more inspired. Maaring you're going to be more expressive of yourself. Mas lalo mong makikilala yung sarili mo on a deeper level. You have the moon in Cancer in the 4th house. There are people who really cares about you. Mga talagang supporters mo. So, you have nothing to worry. Meron mang taong pumipigil sa pag-unlad mo, sa growth mo, nililimitahan ka. But as long as you are open to, break free from that situation, people are nasa paligid mo. Merong tutulong sa'yo. May handang magsuporta sa'yo. Yes, with Jupiter in Aries in the 1st house. Yes, this is the enterprise. So, iba sa inyo, pwedeng meron kayong ipupurso na bagong career, especially business, no? Na magbibigay sa'yo ng kasaganahan. Kasi Jupiter is abundance. So, unlimited opportunities for you are opening up. So, be open to receive those opportunities. And pwede rin tong, you are connecting, networking with more people. So, tinan natin energy ng money, career, finances. You have a decision to reconsider. Maaring meron ka nang napag-decisionan in the past na kailangan mong balikan, pag-isipan uli. Kung ready ka na ba doon? Sigurado ka na ba doon? Okay? And then, marketing. So, meron kang galing talento sa pagpo-promote. So, yung iba sa inyo magaling sa marketing, or if you have a business, you may be marketing your talents, your skills, your services, your products. Yeah. Meron ka ring talent sa writing and content creation. So, i-push mo na yung talent mo na yan sa content creation, because your words are really powerful. Some of you, very inspiring kayong magsalita, no? Maaring iba sa inyo, nagbabala kayo na mag-start ng vlog or maging visible sa inyong social media platform para maka-influence din ng iba. Oo. Base sa mga motivational na ideas, opinions na pwede mong i-share sa iba. Sa relationship naman, expectation, you have optimistic, and options. Okay, so for some of you na single dyan, I think you don't really, you are not really looking for a relationship, no, yung mga single. Kasi marami kayong options available. Alam nyo na kung talagang gusto nyo pumasok sa isang relationship, you can always get into a relationship, no? Pero yung iba sa inyo, you are focused on what you really want in a relationship. Yung hindi ipipilit dahil lang sa ito yung normal, ito yung standard. But for you, you know what you really want in a relationship. So kung walang ganon, edi wala, parang ganon. Okay? So pagdating naman sa mga in a relationship dyan, I think you will explore more yung connection ninyo. Yung iba sa inyo mas magiging open kayo sa partner nyo sa kung anong direction nyo gustong dalhin yung inyong relationship. Whether this is going to be more serious or tipong hinay-hinay lang, ganon. Let's see what else. Aries. The end of a tough cycle approaches. Yes. Kung ano man tong mga challenging situation ninyo na pinagdadaanan, patapos na yan. Okay? Practice gratitude, yes. This is, pagiging grateful pa rin sa mga blessings na meron ka. And yes, may mga naging pagsubok, may mga challenges, pero, you still have blessings around you na you should be grateful for. Okay? Kasi yung gratitude na yan yung nag-a-attract ng blessings. So, the more that we are grateful for our blessings, the more blessings are coming in. Okay? So, what do you need to release? Oh my God, Aries, meron talaga kayong i-release, i-let go. Okay? Situations that are keeping you from growing. Okay? Yung naglilimita sa'yo na mag-grow. Ayan. So, let's see what else. Astro dice. So, you have Mercury in Sagittarius in the second house. Second house is your potentials. This is also your talents, your skills, abilities. Kasi ito yung mga mga kayamanan mo. Okay? Pwede rin tong finances, income. So, I think you will be exploring more yung talent mo sa communication, connection, networking, pwede ring writing. Okay? Or travel opportunities rin for you. So, that is your reading, Aries. Kung gusto nyo ito naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan. Like, share, subscribe para lagi kayo updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Aries. See you again.